suddenly your computer keyboard stop working and then you don't know what to do. Now this video gives you a complete guidance on how to fix this issue. So on your laptop or on your PC, click on ease of access and then you scroll down, you select keyboard, you turn on screen keyboard because the keyboard is not working, so you need to turn on the on screen keyboard. So the on screen keyboard is on. You go to the search bar and then you search run. You search run. So you click on the run app there. So when you click on run, you input this. You see a pop-up like this, and then you input DE VMGMT, and then you bring dot, and then you continue with MSC. And also you can use this method. You can go to the search bar and then you search device manager. So this is what we want to launch. All right, so let's go back to the first one and continue using that. So you click on OK. So I click on OK, a fresh menu will appear. So this is the menu. So on this menu you locate keyboards and then you click on the small arrow pointing to the right there. So you right click on this and click on update driver. So after that you click on browse my computer for drivers, click on let me pick from list available, and then you select the standard PS and then you click on next. So it will install automatically and then you are done. So from there just click on close this window and then you'll be asked to restart the computer to make the changes take effect. So click on yes to restart the computer. So this tutorial can help you fix your keyboard problems. If this was helpful, just drop a like.